Hello everyone, welcome to Gita's Power. Today let us know the 22nd verse of 3rd chapter in the Bhagavad Gita. Na me pathasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nana vaptamavaptavyam varta eva cha karmani. The translation of this verse is: True mastery is not found in the absence of work, but in performing your duties even when you have nothing personally to gain. Hare Krishna.